Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Turning your notes into a professional PDF is incredibly simple, and it's a fantastic way to share information with others. Whether it's a shopping list, a meeting agenda, or detailed lecture notes, converting them into a PDF ensures everyone sees the same clean, formatted document. This quick process saves you time and makes your shared content look perfectly polished. Let's dive in and see how effortlessly you can achieve this with just a few taps. Our first step is to simply open up your favorite Notes app on your device. For many, that's Apple Notes, but the principles apply to others too. Navigate to the specific note you want to transform into a PDF. Give it a quick read-through to confirm all the information is accurate and perfectly organized. Once your note is ready, we can move on to the next step, which is surprisingly intuitive. Now, look for the Share button, which is usually a square icon with an arrow pointing upwards. Tapping this will open a tray of options, letting you decide what to do with your note. This versatile menu is where all the magic happens for sending or saving your content. Don't worry if you don't see an obvious PDF option right away. We're taking a slightly clever route to get there. Just tap that Share icon. Once the Share sheet appears, scroll down until you see the print option and tap on it. Your device will then generate a print preview of your note. Here's the cool part. Take 2 fingers and perform a pinch-to-zoom gesture on that preview. It might feel like you're just zooming in, but what you've actually done is turn that print preview into a fully functional PDF file, ready for its final step. It's a neat little trick. With your note now transformed into a PDF, you'll see the Share button once more, this time on the PDF itself. Tap this button to reveal your final set of options. You can choose to save your PDF directly to your Files app, which is excellent for organization. Or, if you're ready to send it, you can instantly share it through email, a messaging app, or any other service you frequently use. Your professional PDF is now complete and ready for its destination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.